अनिल मेड मनी बाय फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स, तो उसकी इनकम स्मूथ नहीं थी, परमानेंट नहीं थी. Suddenly it would come and suddenly it would not come. He would borrow one week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines. So, what was his source of income? He wrote for magazines, and people who write for magazines, they do not earn as a regular salary. दैट वॉज अ क्वेयर वे टू मेक अ लिविंग. अब वो उसको क्वेयर वे क्यों कहता है? वो इसलिए इसको क्वेयर वे कहता है, मैं बताती हूँ. बिकॉज द रीज़न इज दैट ही वॉज अ थीफ एंड अ चाइल्ड. ही कुडंट अप्रिशिएट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एन ऑनेस्ट लिविंग. उसको समझ नहीं आती थी कि लोग ऐसे कैसे जी लेते हैं, ऑनेस्ट लिविंग करके कैसे जी लेते हैं. उसने कभी अच्छी जिंदगी, गुड लाइफ उसने देखी नहीं थी. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying that he had just sold a book to a publisher. And at night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. तो एक रात he brought some money and he tucked it. उसने अपने गद्दे के नीचे उसको दबा दिया और उस पैसे को अपने पास रख के he slept. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. अब ऑथर नरेटर है, हमें सब कुछ अपने बारे में बताता है, अनिल के बारे में बताता है. बट ऑल दैट ही स्पीक्स अबाउट अनिल is so positive, though we can find some points which are negative in his own explanation about his own self. अब ध्यान से देखें, वो कहता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनिल यूज टू ट्रस्ट हिम सो मच एंड ही वॉज नॉट लॉयल. He says, now, first of all, you notice that when he is observing Anil keeping the money under his mattress, this shows that he is not loyal. Why is he observing where he is keeping his money? Secondly, he says that for a month he had been working with Anil, and Anil had given him so much of trust. He had never asked about any money that he had saved from shopping bills. He knew that he was cheating in shopping, but the narrator says that he had done only that much of theft, and that is quite less. But he also tells us that he had so many opportunities. Anil was giving him lots of opportunities to steal, steal, and steal. Maybe he wanted him to learn that one day, at the same time, he was loving him so much. He wanted to change him. He wanted him to understand that stealing won't take you anywhere. So he had given him a key, and by all means, he was a trusted person. Even then, he keeps on stealing. He likes it. He does it for pleasure. That's a hobby, a leisurely activity. That is why it was difficult to rob him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he cannot afford to be robbed, so it is easy. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. It is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice that he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. This line shows that it's not that he needed to steal, he did it for pleasure. तो अनिल को तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि चोरी हो गई. He doesn't mind any stealth, he doesn't mind any theft. So how did he enjoy? Well, this time I did some real work, real stealing. I told myself I'm out of practice and I should steal. And if I don't take the money, he'll only waste it on his friends. उसको लगता था कि वो सारे के सारे पैसे अपने फ्रेंड्स पे वेस्ट करता है. आफ्टर ऑल ही डजंट इवन पे मी. वो कहता मुझे तनख्वाह भी नहीं मिलती. बट पॉइंट टू नोट, डज ही एक्चुअली वर्क फॉर हिम? वो करता भी क्या है? Secondly, he is already earning so much by saving, by you can say cheating on the shopping bills. Hari forgets Anil's goodness, trust, and teaching. This is the peculiarity of a criminal, of a thief. For some time, they are so tempted to steal that they forget the goodness of the person who's been giving them the benefit. Anil was asleep. A beam of light, a beam of moonlight, stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat upon the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Points to note here. Look at the age of both these guys. Anil is 25 and Hari is 15, number one. Anil has to be, he's proving that he's much more experienced. He understands other people's feelings, he understands other people's needs. He understands the need of Hari, that is why he brings him to work. He doesn't scold him, he teaches him so much. Though he doesn't pay him, but he understands he needs money, so he doesn't mind when he steals on shopping. Anil is such a good natured person. He is so wise and mature. And this little child, he also understands everything that Anil is doing. Still, he is not able to control his temptation to steal. Secondly, note the symbol clear and unlined face of Anil. Like his heart is clear, his conscience is clear, his face is unlined, he does not have a mark of worry. Whereas the boy's face has a lot of scars, scars of worries, scars of bad works, immoral activities, scars of stealing, scars of committing theft, scars of betraying people, scars of cheating against people, scars of breaking someone's trust against him. So, scars versus clear skin symbolizes conscience, and betrayal versus clear heartedness. My hand slid under the mattress. तो चलो वो चोरी करने के लिए तैयार है. Searching for the notes, when I found them, I drew them out without a sound. चुपके चुपके बिना आवाज के उसने पैसे निकाले. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. और अनिल ने सोते सोते लंबा सांस लिया और उसकी तरफ टर्न किया. जैसे उसकी तरफ टर्न किया, I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. वो एकदम से डर गया और फटाफट से कमरे के बाहर क्रॉल करके रिड़ के घुटनों के बल निकल गया. अब यहाँ पे अनिल साइड इन स्लीप. साय होता है लंबा सांस. इट कैन बी अ साय ऑफ वरी, इट कैन बी अ साय ऑफ अ डीप एक्सप्रेशन. उसी वक्त व्हाई डिड अनिल साय? पॉसिबली ही वॉज अवेक. उसने सांस लेके इशारा किया कि मैं जाग रहा हूँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ, पर उसने बोला क्यों नहीं? ही वांटेड टू सी व्हाट ही विल डू. सेकेंडली ही टर्न्ड ऑन हिज साइड टू शो हिम दैट आर यू रियली sure of what you're doing? But anyways, Hari does that and he goes. When I was out on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist. It was held there by the string of my pajamas. तो उसने अपने नाड़े में उनको फंसा रखा था पैसों को. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Is it possible? This is exaggeration. But for a penniless thief, having 600 rupees in 50s in those times, that means he was imagining a very rich life as he couldn't have thought for himself till now. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life because he was a thief. वो हमेशा चोरी से चढ़ता था ट्रेन पे. But dashed straight into the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain. And I lost the chance to get away. And the train left. He could not get inside the train for some reason. Now what was that reason? This reason was the pull of his subconscious. The pull of his inner voice. That he cannot take Anil's money like that. Anil has laid so much trust on him. He does not deserve to be betrayed. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than hell. You go to your friends and everybody knows who your friend is, and police, through your friends, the police would catch you. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. अब उसको पछतावा हो रहा है. He recalls about the kindness of Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. अब चाहे वो छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस है, पर उसमें उसने सीखा काफ़ी कुछ है. So he'll tell us a very, very wise line. The greedy man showed fear क्योंकि वो greedy है ना. The rich man showed anger क्योंकि वो गुस्सा कर सकता है. वो rich है. The poor man showed acceptance क्योंकि he cannot fight. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness कि वो सिर्फ उदास होगा. उदास क्यों? Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. He was a kind man who had imposed his trust, his faith on Hari. बस उसको इसी बात का दुख होगा कि हरी ने उसका भरोसा तोड़ दिया. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly and it was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I hope you're liking my classes. Thanks for being with me at eClasses with Shalini ma'am. I request you all to please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. If you do that, your gesture is going to really motivate me so that I create more such videos and bring more useful content for you. Thank you so much. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I left for the notes. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. अब note करना है. It is raining. He could not board the train to Lucknow. He starts walking towards the bazaar. If you remember, Anil's house is in the middle of bazaar only. So you can see that there's a lot of regret, and that is why his feelings are changing. Automatically, his steps have turned back towards Anil's home. He has a lot of money now, but he has lost the charm of this money. He doesn't feel actually rich. This is the effect of Anil's goodness. Anil's goodness has taught him at least this much, that money doesn't make anybody rich. It is the kindness, it is the goodness of heart that makes someone rich. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably, Anil's money, in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. He says, बेशक उसको 2-3 रुपए मिल जाते सुबह, पर अब तो उसके पास पूरे थे, लेकिन अब उसके पास एक चीज़, this is one thing that he doesn't have now. Number one, he couldn't cook his meals. Number two, he couldn't go shopping for him to the bazaar. And number three, most importantly, he couldn't learn anymore. He couldn't get education anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of theft. कहता मैं ये जो benefits थे अनिल के साथ रहने के, ये तो मैं भूल ही गया था. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal and sometimes just as simple to be caught. He says, चोरी तो कोई भी कर सकता है, उससे भी आसान है पकड़े जाना. But to be really big man, clever and respected man, was something else. तो जो चोर होते हैं वो तो तब बचते हैं जब वो पढ़े लिखे भी हैं. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. उसको पता था कि उसको कोई और पढ़ना नहीं सिखाएगा, तो वो सिर्फ अनिल के पास ही जा सकता था. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. So he says, मैं अपने कमरे में गया बहुत नर्वस होके, और मुझे लगा कि it is much easier to steal something, कि किसी चीज़ की चोरी करनी बहुत आसान होती है, than to return it undetected. उसको बिना पहचाने वापस रखना बहुत मुश्किल है. निकालना तो बहुत ईजी है, पर रखना वापस बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि तब आप पकड़े जाते हो. इट इज़ ईजी टू ब्रेक ट्रस्ट दैन टू मेंटेन इट. इट इज़ ईजी टू ब्रेक ट्रस्ट दैन टू रीजॉइन इट, दैन टू recreate it. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in the clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed. मैं धीरे धीरे बेड के सिर वाले साइड तक गया. My hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. इतनी पास वो अनिल के गया. I remained still for a minute. मैं एकदम से still हो गया कि वो disturb ना हो जाए. देखो, otherwise he thought he is such a brave thief. But look at his bravery. He has barely any guts. वो हिल भी नहीं पा रहा. उसको हर एक मूवमेंट बहुत ध्यान से लेनी पड़ रही है. My hand found the edge of the mattress and I slipped under it with the notes. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. अगले दिन सुबह वो थोड़ा लेट उठता है. उठ के देखता है कि टी is already done by Anil. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. वो क्या सोच रहा था कि 600 रुपीज़ में से उसको 1, 2 और 3 रुपीज़ मिल जाएंगे उसको सिनेमा जाने के लिए, बट उसको क्या मिले? 50 रुपी नोट्स. 50 रुपी नोट बिटवीन हिज फिंगर्स एंड माई हार्ट सैंक. ये देखकर उसका दिल ही सिंक हो गया, वो घबरा गया. आई थॉट आई हैड बीन डिस्कवर्ड. उसे लगा कि अब उसे डांट पड़ेगी. आई मेड सम मनी येस्टरडे, नाउ यू विल बी पेड रेगुलरली. ही सेज, चलो अब मैं तुम्हें तनख्वाह दिया करूँगा. इस बात से हमें 2-3 बातें पता लगती हैं. Somewhere maybe Anil had thought and Hari hadn't understood that Anil wanted to pay regular salary to Hari. He could not do that because he did not have a regular income, number one. Secondly, what we understand is that this is the reason why he was ignoring Anil's stealth, Anil's, hiding some money after every shopping trip. because he knew he doesn't pay him regularly. So now he will be paid regularly. He gives him a good amount, 50 rupees. Thirdly, third thing is that he says, now you will be paid regularly. As if this word now indicates something has happened now. He didn't say that the previous night. Why is he saying this morning? There is something that has happened the previous night, and about that Anil knows. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. अब अगर उसे वो नोट वेट लगा तो क्या वो अनिल को वेट नहीं लगा होगा? और क्या अनिल को पता नहीं चल गया होगा that this money had been out when he was asleep? Automatically, yes. Anil knew everything. Today we'll start writing lessons, sentences, he said. Note this word today. This is the next level of their relation. It begins here, and now Hari is fit to be taught further because now he is actually a ready learner. He is wholeheartedly ready to learn. He has understood that there is no benefit of stealing. Anil knows, and possibly he was waiting for him to understand this thing. Only now he will be more and rightfully dedicated towards education. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything, so he was hiding all that. He seems to have forgotten all that has happened the previous night. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, but this time his smile was not an artificial one. It came by itself without any effort. So now their relation comes at the next level. Character sketch of Hari Singh. Hari the thief is a young boy of 15. For Hari, robbing has become something that he naturally does. Now, this suggests that he has been practicing his craft for a very long time. He is only a young boy, but this shows that Hari has to rob to survive. He has no other source of income. He is intelligent. He knows the art of winning confidence of others. He is a good judge of human nature. He knows that what a greedy man shows fear when he is robbed. Rich man shows anger and poor man shows acceptance stoically. He is vulnerable as well as sensitive to kindness and goodness. Because of all this, we say that he's very good in understanding human behavior. Now, though he steals Anil's money, but he returns it later. He seems to do this for two reasons. First of all, he begins to feel guilty about what is done. Secondly, because he has aspirations to be able to write. So something that Anil has promised to teach Hari to do. This may be important because he knows that learning to write is more than 100 rupees that he has stolen from Anil. It is also possible that Hari knows that he is betraying Anil by robbing the money, particularly when Anil has shown Hari nothing but kindness. It is as though both Anil and Hari have formed a friendship, which makes it harder for Hari to steal from Anil. So there's a friendship between them. If anything, Hari knows that by robbing Anil, not only is he missing out on the chance to learn how to write, but he is also betraying Anil by doing something that was alien to him, that he had never done, and that is returning money. Hari's life changes for the better. He now has a roof over his head, and Anil will pay him regularly. He will also learn how to write. He will no longer have to live on his wits or add to the scars on his face. Now, with an education, he knows he can be much better than a thief. And now his outlook on life changes, and now his prospects will also change. Children, here's a quick recap about what all you've done till now. We are coming to the end of phase 2. 3 questions for your reference so that you just have a look at, let yourself be aware that you've understood everything. Number 1, how did Hari enjoy his stay at Anil's? Second, give evidences to show that Anil was a kind man. Third, what was Hari's plan about the stolen money? So here we end phase 2. I hope we meet again in the third phase of this chapter.